Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been posting videos from quite a long time. I was quite busy with some personal work, and today we will be working on how to upload bulk questions. So if you know how to create quiz and how to create courses, how to create categories, etc., so you can directly jump to the next section. Below is the timeline, or else you can revise with me. And for the new users can also see how to create courses. So we'll start with creating course. So first we'll go to site admin, we'll go to courses, manage courses and categories. By default there is always one category present in the new instance. So what we'll do, we'll directly create a new course, or you can always create a new category from new category option. We'll create new course first. Let's say test quiz. Will copy paste the same name, course name, course short name, etc., and will not change any settings over here. Will directly go to say save and display. So if you want to see how to create course in detail, then you can visit my previous videos. All right, let's say save and display. Now here you can see we have got options of adding activities. So by default this edit mode is off actually. So when you create a new course, you will see like this. And whenever you want to edit your course, so like if you have new course and you want to edit any or upload any activities, so let's say edit mode on. Here we'll say quiz, enter. So our topic name has changed. You can increase or decrease the number of topics depending on your course format or syllabus. Let's say delete topic. I don't want many topics, I just want one topic, so I'll just keep one topic. If I want to add topic, I can go to add topic and say add topic. All right, so coming back to the point, we'll add a quiz first. Let's add a quiz. We'll say test quiz. We'll give description if needed, if not then fine. So for now we'll skip all these options. We'll see in the next episode, like how to create quiz in detail, or what are the options and what you should do with all the options. We'll see in the next episode. Okay, for now we'll just say save and display. Now you have created a quiz space in the system. Now what you want to do, you want to upload questions. So there are three options to upload questions. One, add a new question, that is manually you have to select multiple choice, but we'll not see this today, because we are seeing how to upload bulk questions. Second, select from question bank. Now if you notice, there are no questions in the question bank. So today this is what we are going to do. We'll upload questions in the question bank, like bulk upload. Okay, I'll also explain you the benefits of bulk upload. Then we have a random question. Now even for random questions you need to have questions in the question bank. So we'll see how this works. Okay, so the first benefit of uh, uploading bulk question is that you save a lot of time. Suppose if you have 100 of questions, so practically it's quite tedious job to upload questions one by one. It's always good to upload questions in a bulk, so that will save your time. Second, as we saw a random question option, uh, so if you upload bulk questions, then you can select random questions from question bank. Now suppose you have 10 students in your course, okay, and you want each student to get different questions so that they cannot cheat. Okay, otherwise what will happen if the same questions are repeated to each student, so there is a high possibility of cheating. So what random question does is it will display different questions to different users in every attempt. Okay, but before that we have to upload bulk questions. All right, so we'll go to question bank. Here we'll select question and we'll say import. Notice that currently there are no questions here, so what we'll do, we'll say import questions. All right, we'll say import questions. Now what we have done, we have already created one file. We have created one text file of questions. Please pause the video and carefully understand the format, question, options and answer, because this is the format that system understands while uploading the bulk questions. Okay, the number of options can differ. It's not necessary that it has to be only 4 options. Options can be less or more. As you can see here, there are 6 options. Here there are 4 options, and as you can see, you can reduce or increase the options. All right, so question options does not matter really. What matters is the format. Please see the format correctly, otherwise the system will give you the error. All right, so what we'll do, we'll upload this question file in the system. We'll just drag and drop. Let's say import. Sorry, forgot. You have to select icon format. So this format is called icon format. All right, so you have to see, it already gave me an error that you must supply a value here. So you select icon format, then go to your folder, select file, and let's say import. Notice that 12 questions are uploaded successfully. It has given us the confirmation, passing questions from import file, importing 12 questions. So everything is green, nothing is red. It means your questions are uploaded correctly. All right, this is your bulk question upload. Now you can see the questions are uploaded. All right, so we have uploaded the bulk questions. Now how to select questions? Go to add questions. Now if you remember, I've told you from question bank and from a random question. So you can also select from question bank, but it will not randomize for every user, and there is a high possibility of cheating. All right, so what we'll do, it's always better to say random question. This will make quiz tough. Now there are 12 questions, and what I want 4. I want 4. So number of random questions system will display to each user. What system will do? System will select any 4 questions from this 12 questions for every individual user in every attempt at random. So even you will not be able to see which questions are selected over here, for example. All right, now what I'll do, I'll just stop this edit mode. I have already selected my questions, and I'll go to quiz. I'll say preview quiz. I just want to see how my quiz is running. So Hitler's party name today was a Nazi party. Let's say next. For which of the following discipline Nobel Prize? I don't know the correct answer. So I'll just try to answer them and try to see how my quiz. Finish attempt. Okay, answers. Okay, submit all. Submit all. Okay, this is right, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is right. Okay, so I say finish review. So if you see, I have answered correctly. Now so again, if I want to see whether the system is randomizing the quiz or not, I'll say preview quiz again. If you notice, the questions have changed now. All right, we'll go back and see this. So this is the benefit of bulk question. You can randomize your quiz. You can make your quiz strict as much as possible, so that there is less chance of cheating, and you can save your time in uploading the questions. All right, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and support, and there will be more videos coming like early. And if you have any queries, do comment and let me know. Until next time, keep watching LMS tutorials.